In this video, we're going to be talking about how to contact Amazon customer service via chat. So let's just get straight into the video. All you need to really do is click on the U tab right over here and scroll all the way down until you find the setting gear icon. And you can simply go ahead and choose help. If you don't find it there, all you need to do is simply scroll all the way down and click on need help. Finally, you're going to be taken to this page right over here where all you want to do is simply go ahead and scroll all the way down and then simply go ahead and look for the chat option. And if you still don't find it, you can simply go ahead and scroll down, click on browse more articles. And now click on more support options. Finally, click on customer service. And that is it. Once you go ahead and click on that, you're going to be taken into this page where you can simply go ahead and start a chat. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you